It is safe to say that 2020 is not going how any of us expected. But the good news is there is still plenty of time left for you to work on your goals for the year. Hey there, welcome back to New Fan Dreamer, where I help you create the life of your dreams. You guys, I finally got a new camera. When I was uploading my last video, I realized I did not update you on my camera situation. If you watched my self-care vacation day video, you may know that Rob and I broke our camera during our kayaking adventure. I was very optimistic that we would get it to work again, but unfortunately we did not. I have been wanting to upgrade my camera for a while now, so I used it as the perfect excuse to buy myself a new camera. And last Thursday my time, which will be 2 weeks ago by the time this video is posted, will be the first Thursday since I started my channel in September of 2019 that I did not post a new YouTube video. I did not have a camera to record on. I was having technical difficulties trying to record on my phone, and I was not feeling well. So I decided to give myself some grace and not record a YouTube video for that week. I actually recorded a clip of myself unboxing my new camera when it arrived, so I will show you that clip right now. So I just got home from work and I am so excited because my new camera has finally arrived. Let's open the box. I got a Canon EOS M50 and it also came with a 32GB SD card. Let's open this bad boy up because I am so excited. Okay, so we have the user manuals, which I am going to have a look at later. So we have a camera strap. Then we have the body of the camera. Oh, it's so light compared to the Rebel T3i. Oh, I like it. It feels so nice in my hand. I can't wait to start vlogging with this camera, guys. I'm so excited. Oh, it's so small and compact. Oh, I love it. We also have battery. And unfortunately, this battery is not compatible with the Rebel, so I will need to purchase new batteries. We have the battery charger and the kit lens. This is so tiny as well. Okay, so now let's set this up and see how it feels with everything in it. I still can't get over how light this is. It's going to be a big difference versus what my normal setup would be. Wow, that feels so light. Similar to my T3i, this also has a flip out screen, which I like, and I would not have bought a camera without it. So I'm going to set this up, charge the battery, because I would assume the battery level is quite low, especially from all the Canon M50 unboxing videos that I watched. They all come with a very low battery life, or sorry, very little charge in the battery. The next time you see me, I will be using the Canon M50. I used my new Canon M50 to record my last video that went live on my channel. It is so much easier to record with than the Canon Rebel T3i that we broke. I finally have autofocus and auto tracking. I can't wait to learn some new filming techniques on this camera to help up-level my YouTube videos. Now that we have my camera update out of the way, I really want to talk to you about your goals and, more importantly, completing a mid-year review. But first, I am going to go make myself a smoothie.
I pull into your driveway, it's a Saturday night. You look like $1,000,000 wearing that dress.
That is so good. Back in December, I launched a New Year, New You series here on this channel. I will include a link to the playlist and the free workbook in the description below. The series covered a variety of topics, including defining your dreams, finding your why, setting goals, creating a vision board, the power of manifesting, and the importance of sticking to your commitments. Whether or not you followed along with that series, you probably set some goals for 2020. While I believe that creating goals for yourself is very important, I believe it is also very important that you review your goals and reevaluate if necessary. I am recording this video on July 1st. I can't believe that we are halfway through the year already. And oh, what a year it has been. It is safe to say that 2020 is not going how any of us expected. But the good news is there is still plenty of time left for you to work on your goals for the year. Today I completed a mid-year review and I wanted to share with you the journal prompts that I used in case you are interested in completing one as well. Use one word to describe the past 6 months. How do you feel about the past 6 months? List and celebrate all of your wins that you are proud of from the past 6 months. What did you learn? What are you grateful for? What would you improve? How did you spend your time the past 6 months? Are you happy with how you spent your time? Have the past 6 months brought you closer to achieving your dreams? What were your goals for the year? How much progress have you made towards your goals, and are you on track to achieve them? Were your priorities in alignment with your goals and the vision that you have for your life? Do you still want to achieve the goals that you set at the beginning of the year? Do any of your goals need to be adjusted? Are there any new goals that you would like to add? What do you want to commit to doing for the next 6 months that will help you achieve your goals? What are you going to stop doing for the next 6 months in order to reach your goals? What are your takeaways from this review, and are there any action steps that you need to take? I created a worksheet with the journal prompts that you can download for free by clicking on the link in the description below. While I was completing my mid-year review, I realized that I am crushing my health and fitness goals that I set for myself this year, but there are some goals that I am not on track to achieve. If you watched my Struggling to Grow on YouTube video, you may know that my 6-month goal for my channel was to reach 1,000 subscribers, which I did not meet and I have still not met. If you are not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button because it helps support my channel. I post new videos every Thursday. So my goal for March of 2020 was 1,000 subscribers. But my goal for 2020 that I set for my channel was to reach 100,000 subscribers. I've seen other YouTubers hit 100,000 subscribers within a year of starting their channel and thought if they can do it, so can I. It can't be that hard, right? Boy, was I wrong. First of all, when I started my YouTube channel, I had very little social media experience. Absolutely no experience recording or editing video. And I had no idea what it actually takes to grow a YouTube channel. While my understanding is starting to improve, I will be the first person to admit that I am not putting in the effort required to grow my channel to 100,000 subscribers within 1 year. And I'm okay with that. So I decided to adjust my 2020 goal for my YouTube channel. My new goal is 100 subscribers. And I also decided to set a stretch goal of 1,000 subscribers and challenge myself to find new ways to improve my content and grow my channel. Right now, 100 and even 1,000 subscribers seems much more achievable and realistic than hitting 100,000 subscribers before the end of the year. So the moral of my story is it is okay to adjust your goals. While I still hope to reach the 100,000 subscriber milestone one day, right now, I would prefer to work towards an achievable and realistic goal instead of getting discouraged by an overly ambitious goal like growing my channel by 99,931 subscribers when my channel has only gained 69 subscribers in the last 10 months. My channel is slowly growing and I am very proud of that. And I am also very grateful for the 69 people who are currently subscribed to my channel. I hope this exercise helps you get back on track with your 2020 goals. Now, I want to know, what is one goal that you set for yourself this year? Let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please hit that subscribe button because it helps support my channel. And remember to do one thing today that will help you create the life of your dreams. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you back here next Thursday with a new video. Should I? No, I think that looks fine. Oh my god, that's so freaking good. Okay, Hallie was just laughing at herself, or barking at herself and growling at herself in her reflection in the mirror. Hair is turning into a frozen disaster.